Eritrean communities worldwide form a vibrant, interconnected network, united by heritage and a deep love for their homeland. Across continents, Eritreans abroad organize associations that keep their culture alive and support national development. These groups are engines of unity, education, and progress. Meetings and cultural events pass on traditions and strengthen community bonds. The diaspora's unity is its greatest strength, enabling meaningful change for Eritrea. Their work is a testament to the enduring spirit and unity of Eritreans everywhere. In Switzerland, Eritrean professionals have united to form a powerful new association. Their mission, harnessing collective skills for Eritreans in Switzerland and back home. The committee organizes workshops, mentorships, and networking events to boost growth. They collaborate with institutions in Eritrea, transferring knowledge and building capacity. Their unity and expertise inspire change and set a standard for diaspora communities everywhere. In Australia, Eritrean communities are actively fostering unity and empowering the next generation. Recent seminars and meetings brought together members of all ages to assess progress and plan for the future. Leaders emphasized the power of unity and the importance of youth involvement in sustaining Eritrean culture. Young Eritreans were encouraged to take on leadership roles and stay connected to their roots through language, history, and tradition. These gatherings provided a space to share experiences, identify improvements, and learn from one another. The focus on youth ensures the community's vibrancy and continuity in Australia. Plans for cultural festivals, educational workshops, and sports events aim to keep the community engaged and united. By strengthening their organizations, Eritreans in Australia are better positioned to support development projects back home. Educating and involving the youth preserves cultural identity and builds a bridge to Eritrea's future. The community's efforts are a model of pride, unity, and dedication. Their work ensures that Eritrean heritage thrives, even far from home. The Australian diaspora's commitment is shaping a resilient, forward-looking community. Through collaboration and youth empowerment, they're investing in both their local future and Eritrea's progress. The bond between generations remains strong, fueling hope and pride. In Germany, the National Union of Eritrean Women, NUEW, is driving change and empowerment. At their 22nd Congress, women from across the country gathered to reflect, strategize, and set new goals. The outcome, a 2-year action plan focused on strengthening chapters, increasing membership, and elevating women's roles in leadership. Special emphasis was placed on engaging young women through mentorship and targeted activities, ensuring the union's future. The NUEW is committed to creating an inclusive environment where women of all ages collaborate and learn from each other. Their work empowers women, strengthens families, and preserves Eritrean culture in the diaspora. The union also supports national development by organizing fundraisers and backing projects that benefit women and children in Eritrea. The Congress showcased the vital role Eritrean women play in community resilience and progress. By fostering leadership and unity, NUEW is shaping a balanced, dynamic diaspora. Their strategies ensure that Eritrean women remain at the forefront of positive change. The German NUEW stands as a beacon of solidarity and inspiration. Their efforts are building a stronger, more inclusive future for all Eritreans. In Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, Eritrean leaders are investing in the future through targeted training and conferences. Leaders from the National Union of Eritrean Women and the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students gathered to build skills and share strategies. The training covered organizational management, leadership, and community outreach, tailored to the local context. A key focus was empowering youth and women to take active roles in community life and national development. Participants explored ways to connect young Eritreans in Saudi Arabia with their peers back home, strengthening ties and identity. Preserving language, culture, and history was emphasized as essential for community cohesion. The initiative equips leaders to mobilize members and organize impactful activities. Strong leadership is recognized as the foundation of a strong diaspora. The Jeddah Conference reflects a global pattern of Eritreans building unity and capacity wherever they live. These efforts ensure the next generation is ready to lead and contribute. Across the globe, Eritrean communities are united by a commitment to preserving their cultural identity. Associations organize vibrant celebrations of national holidays, showcasing music, dance, food, and traditional dress. Language schools and history lessons help young Eritreans connect with their roots and communicate with family back home. Elders play a crucial role, sharing stories and traditions in intergenerational dialogues. These exchanges keep Eritrean heritage alive and strengthen community bonds. Preserving identity is about more than honoring the past. It's about building a confident, successful future. Young Eritreans who know their culture become ambassadors in their new countries and contributors to Eritrea's development. The diaspora's cultural work is an investment in both their own resilience and the nation's future. Strong identity fuels pride, unity, and a sense of responsibility. Community organizations ensure that Eritrean values endure across generations and borders. The cultural cornerstone is what keeps the diaspora vibrant and connected. Through these efforts, Eritrean heritage thrives worldwide. The Eritrean diaspora's efforts go beyond community. They're vital to Eritrea's national development. Associations coordinate fundraising for schools, clinics, and infrastructure, making a real difference back home. Professionals contribute expertise, not just money, helping build local capacity and drive innovation. The diaspora acts as a global brain trust, offering skills and solutions for Eritrea's growth. Advocacy is another key role. Communities represent Eritrea abroad, countering misinformation and building international bridges. Their unity amplifies their voice and influence on the world stage. Young Eritreans are encouraged to contribute through visits, volunteering, and future careers. This instills a lifelong sense of connection and responsibility. The diaspora's support is a sustained, multi-generational commitment. They are not just remittance senders, they are partners in building a prosperous Eritrea. Their shared responsibility ensures progress for both the diaspora and the homeland. Eritrean communities in Switzerland, Australia, Germany, and Saudi Arabia exemplify unity, organization, and dedication to their roots. Their efforts, professional associations, women's unions, youth training, build strong, supportive networks and preserve Eritrean identity. This is a global movement, driven by love for their country and a vision for the future. Engaging youth ensures the diaspora's longevity and relevance, making them the bridge to tomorrow. Unity is the foundation, empowering communities to act with purpose and support Eritrea's development. The relationship between diaspora and homeland is dynamic and mutually enriching. Eritrea provides identity and belonging. The diaspora offers support, advocacy, and innovation. This unbreakable bond fuels resilience and progress, lighting the path to a brighter future. The Eritrean diaspora stands as a testament to the enduring power of unity and national pride.